Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can find the best profitable crypto coins to buy, okay? And also the best crypto coins to buy. So before we go into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. I also need you to stick strictly from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video, you will be able to understand or learn or know how to find a profitable crypto coin for yourself and also see the best crypto coins you need to buy. So let's dive into that without waste of time. Okay? First, as you all know, you must understand or you must make a choice of your exchange. That is the app you really want to trade with. You can use Bybit, you can use Binance, you can use Huobi, Gate.io, and a lot more of them. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. The first thing you must always look at the hot sessions. Okay, also look at the gainer sessions, and sometimes you can also look at the losers sections. Okay, the same thing applicable to Binance. You can do all these on Binance as well. Okay, if you are using Binance, you can always look at the hot sessions, okay, the gainer sessions, and also the losers sessions sometimes. And if possible, you can also look at the new session, gainers, losers, odds. Those places are very important because from those places you find a particular crypto coins that will be doing well in the market and you can invest on it for profit. Okay. So the same thing if you're using Bybit. If you're using Bybit, you can as well look at the hot sessions, the new gainers, and the losers sections. They are very vital. So look at those ones. And one of the most important things you should look at is the market cap. It's the market cap. You can look at this market cap for the BTC, almost 500 million USD. You can see the market cap for the Pepcoin, 5.14. You can see the market cap for the MNT, Asta as well, Core, and many more of them. Okay, look at the market cap. The market cap is what you can actually use to buy. Sometimes if the market cap is much, it's good for a short range trade. And sometimes if the market cap is low, it's good for a long time rate if you want to do investment. Okay. But the major app I'm going to use for this particular class, it is called the Coin Market Cap, which I do believe we all have them. And if you do not know how to use this Coin Market Cap, I'll drop a link of a video beneath this at the descriptive section of this very class so that you can really understand how to use it. Okay, so what I usually use here is the trending part. Okay, the trending part, and sometimes the watch list. Okay, if you come to the trending part, you can see a lot of cryptocurrency coin on this trending part, and you can see their complete and total market cap as a whole. Okay, so looking at the total market cap for this BTC is currently 2 billion. That's taking more than half of the total market cap of the crypto industry. All right, look at the ETH also. Look at the USDT, which is a stable coin. Look at XRP. BNB has over 136. SOL have 112. USDC, Doge, TRX, and many more of them. Okay. So the direct way you can find a best coin to buy or the best coin you can invest on is through market cap. Because through the market cap, you can find the total market cap of a particular cryptocurrency coin you wish to invest on. That will give you like a proper assurance for you to invest on that particular cryptocurrency coin and make a huge profit from them. Okay, we have the BTC, we have the ETH, USDT, and many more of them. You can see also the ADA, Hype, Link, and the many more of them. Okay, so at the trending sessions, at the trending session, this is where you can actually find a particular coin to buy. You can see this code. This code has this. Okay, it has this as a price, and it also has a reasonable minus, and it also has over $162 million market cap. You can see, and those one you're seeing here, they are actually catching fire. We have the coach, the cock, the word Numi, foam, Wi-Fi, and many more of them. Okay, you can look into this place carefully and see if you can dive into it to make something for yourself. Okay, so the moment you go into this place, always look at them carefully. Look at the total market cap, the high and the low, and also look at the community sentiment. Okay, also look at what the community is saying about this. Okay, so Kang is holding strong near 48 with a market cap of over 162 and 24-hour volume surging past 1.62 billion. That's a serious one. Okay, so if you are looking for a perfect place to get a cryptocurrency coin to buy for a profit, is by coming to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so always use the CoinMarketCap in order for you to get the right cryptocurrency coin you needed. Okay, so you can keep looking at them each by each, so that you can understand what exactly you want to invest on and what exactly you're going to see from your investment. Okay, so the moment you have looked at this trending part carefully and you have found a particular coin that you really wish to buy, then you can go to some of those exchange and search for them. Okay, maybe like this cog now, you can also come to this place to look at its news. Okay, there is no update here. Okay, then you go to the markets. If you go to the market, you can see where you can get it. The pancake, the InSwap is also on Binance. Okay, it's also on Binance and is very high. Okay, when the 24-hour volume is high, you can dive into it and make something reasonable for yourself. Okay, so don't purchase any coin without coming to look at it here. And when you're looking at it, make sure you look at it deeply and carefully. All right, so that it will not take you time to cash out your profit. All right, so with the moment you see something of this very nature, you can go to Binance. What is it called? Code. You can go to Binance to look for this code, or Bybit. Let me start checking it here. All right, it's not here, so it's not listed yet here. So let me go here, come to this place to look for it. You can see it here. Okay, and it's actually catching fire. It's seriously on fire. You can see this. Okay, so you watch it carefully and purchase it to your taste. Okay, so going there again, you can look for another coin as well. Maybe this. Okay, look for another coin as well. Then still go to Binance to search for it. This one is actually on fire. You can see it. Okay, so let's search for this one again too. This one is also available here, and most of them are alpha crypto coin. You can see these ones are serious coins that you can dive in and make a rational profit for yourself. So do not trade any particular coin without looking for that coin, without seeing what exactly the coin is up to or all about. Okay, so you can just keep doing this and watch it out carefully for yourself until you find what to invest on or what to buy. You can see, okay? You can keep doing this until you find actually what to invest on. Okay? You can see the token unlocked. Make sure you look at everything that has to do with it carefully and go back to search for it and invest on it for profit. Okay? This one is called the wood. You can see it, and it's actually also on fire. The wood is on fire. Okay, so let's look at it carefully. Though it's a coin that will soon pump. That's never taken any significant move. So the moment you watch them carefully like this, and you will buy to make a profit. Okay, so these are actually ways for you to find the best cryptocurrency coin to buy and make a rational profit for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. If you do find value from this particular video, do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.